Trust is the cornerstone of every relationship. Today, we're talking about how to make the casting director trust you. You don't want to miss this one. Take it away, Mini-Me. As a child, I realized I had a gift. I see people without their doubts or fears as the fully expanded future versions of themselves. Our future selves whisper messages. I hear them, and you can too. Welcome to the Creative Whisperer. This whole process is a progressive one. People have to get to know you and you prove yourself little by little, and walking and understanding your type, leaning into what the expectations, what the perceptions already are another form of trust. Isn't it weird that if I think a thought about you, if you present one way, but your headshot, your resume is totally different? Isn't it interesting to think that that makes me not trust you? Because there's not a coherency. Okay, what is this person hiding here? Why doesn't all this fit together? What's going on here? Now, all of this is usually unconscious in the mind of the audition coordinator or the casting agent or the director. But the flip side of that is also true. If you come in and everything matches up, like, wow, this person is who they say they are and who I think they are and what the headshot looks like and the resume, it all fits together. Their vibe, their personality, I get it. Then it's another brick in this relationship, in this foundation of a relationship you're building with this casting director, this trust that you're building. Then you follow up with a thank you note, like, wow, this is a kind person. Everything I thought about this person, this is a thoughtful person. This is a professional person, an authentic. I'd like to work with this person. Do you see how it all establishes trust? Just like you would with any relationship. Think of a dating relationship. You hope that this is going to be wonderful and amazing, but you might also be a little skeptical. And even if you aren't skeptical, you kind of wait and see. And so you go on that first date and it's wonderful. And this person is on time and they pick you up or you pick them up or you meet up when you say you're going to. You have a great conversation. It's easy. It's great. They say they're going to call and you don't hear from them. Doesn't that change everything? And it should, because people show you who they are through how they behave and the choices that they make, right? Doesn't mean you have to kick them to the curb. Something could have happened. But also this could just be part of getting to know them and what you're in for. However, if someone says, you know what, it's a movie I think you'll like. I'm going to text you the name of the movie. And they text it to you. Don't you think, wow, he actually followed up or she actually remembered to do that. Oh, it makes you trust them. It's letting your yes be yes. It's doing what you say you're going to do. It's integrity. It's a lost art. Integrity or no integrity or doing what you say you're going to do or not. It doesn't mean you're a bad person or a good person. It truly is a skill, and it truly is understanding that every time you do what you say you're going to do, you are saying underneath that you value the other person, that you value their time, that you value their efforts. If I tell you I'm going to be somewhere at a certain time and I'm late, what it communicates, whether you mean to or not, is it communicates that, whether it's an audition or a date or whatever, is that, wow, you're not that important to me and neither is your time. My own time is more important to me. It communicates that in a very subtle way. It doesn't mean that's the truth or how you feel, but it's something to be aware of. For more information about our online and in-person workshops, or if you'd like to have me come to speak to your group, contact me at the link below. See you soon.